So the TP-Link Archer C64 does not have Wi-Fi range extender mode. So you cannot use it as a Wi-Fi range extender to extend your Wi-Fi. But you can still use it as an extender or as a range extender using an Ethernet cable. So basically what you need to do is set up your router done the way you'd normally set up any router. Now, once you finish setting it up the normal way, and if you don't know how to set it up, I'll link that instruction video down in the description. So once it's set up, to use it as a range extender using an Ethernet cable, what you need to do is get any Ethernet cable. You can use the one that comes in the box, or any properly crimped Ethernet cable. So what you need to do is go to your main router, and in your main router, let me just expand this. So in your main router, your service provider could either have a fiber optic cable that goes directly into your router, or they could be using this Ethernet port here. Okay. Now you can see these other Ethernet ports called LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4 on your router. Those are outlet ports, and you can use them to connect to your computer, your gaming console, or whatever other devices you want to use with a wired internet connection. So basically, to use your TP-Link as this router's extender, what you need to do is get a cable to one of the LAN ports, either LAN 1, 2, 3, 4. Currently, I'm using LAN 3 port. So basically, you connect one end of your Ethernet cable to that outlet, and then it goes to your TP-Link router. And instead of going to the LAN ports, you put it in the WAN port where your provider would normally put in an Ethernet cable. Okay, so you connect it to the WAN port. Let me just put it like this so you can clearly see. So you connect it to that port. So this cable now acts like a cable from your service provider, and now your TP-Link will broadcast the internet from this. Okay, so sometimes you might need a much longer cable than this, especially if you want to really extend the range of your Wi-Fi to a very far distance, or a place where there are no sockets where you can plug in other devices in between. So get as long a cable as you need, and then connect it to the WAN port, and then now you can use Wi-Fi. You can also use the other LAN ports on your TP-Link to connect to your devices. But that is basically how to use your TP-Link router as a Wi-Fi range extender using an Ethernet cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.